Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing another SHEIN try-on haul for you guys. Super excited. You know, we're heading into warmer weather, so that means we need to refresh our wardrobe for, you know, cute spring fits. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. All right, first and foremost, I wanted to start off with one of my favorite items, which is fur coat. I literally just opened this from the packaging, fell in love. Like, let me take a moment and just show you guys how adorable this fur coat is. I've just recently really have fallen in love with fur coats. I think they're just so adorable and add so much to your outfit. This is what this one looks like. Oh my goodness, it's like a warm hug. It's literally a warm hug in the wintertime. So flattering. It's so comfortable. It's kind of like this, it's kind of like a white base, and then there's like a, you know, grayish, dark grayish going throughout the entire jacket, which I think is really cute. And it has like the huge collar on the entire coat, which I think is really cute. Like it, not a collar, like, you know what I mean? Like a, like not a hat, but kind of like this lapel vibe. Is that what it's called? But I think it's so flattering, and it's just, it looks great with my outfit. I'm wearing like a black basic long sleeve, gray jeans, the most basic outfit, hoops. I throw this on and like, it's so cute. If you want to dress up an ordinary outfit in the wintertime, this is perfect. It gives you like model off duty vibes. It really does give model off duty vibes, and I'm here for it. So obsessed. Starting off this video strong with the cutest fur coat ever, and I'm going to be linking it down below for sure, guys. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. All right, this is like a really cute little dress. I paired it with this little black bag, but I think the fit of this dress is really cute. They have basically two different colors. It's basically like a tan color underneath, a beige-ish color, skin color, and then I chose the one with black lace. They also have one with white lace. I think both are really cute. It's very comfortable. It's great fits. Maybe like do size up in this because it is a little bit short, but I think the fit of this is really nice. Very flattering dress as well. I think that just a really flattering dress for the summertime. I know I'm like prepping for summer already, but this is like a cute little dress. I think it's very summery. Not really like winter vibes, I don't know, but I think it's really cute that I might even get it in the white version next time, just because it is just like, it's such a great basic, and I feel like I've seen types of dresses like these before, like, you know, with like the lace on top, and I decided to try it out, and it's giving like, I don't know why it's giving me like Asia vibes, maybe the flower print. Anyways, I think it's really cute, and highly recommend it. All right, this item is so cute, guys. Basically it's a pair of jeans. Let me show you all the full fit. Shook because it genuinely, like, I think the fit is really great. I've been looking for a type of jean like this where it's just like very baggy, you know, like it's a very baggy pair of jeans. Basically that is what it looks like, and I just paired it with like a little basic cropped long sleeve, and I think it looks great. And it's basically a dark wash, like a black jean, but the kind of like sides of it is a white color. The side of it has a little bit of white, so I think it's really good in terms of not making you look super like not put together, because sometimes a super baggy jean can make you look obviously a little bit more like swollen, if you will. But the white, like the light part at the side, I think is perfect. Like it adds a really great touch to the entire pant, which I think is really great. Yeah, the overall fit is great, and I really like it. So highly recommend this pair of jeans if you have been looking for like a dark wash baggy jean that makes you look nice and put together. So this is the first pair of pants. Next item, guys, is also a pair of jeans. So cute, guys. It's a gray color. So basically first I'm just pairing it with my INQUIRES top, which love it. And then I've been looking for a pair of jeans like this as well. So it's basically low waist, very low rise. It has like washes of like more, you know, worn in vibe. Like it gives like a worn in vibe print where it's like scrunched. It's not like a, oh my gosh, I don't want to say like an acid wash because that's just like not it, but you know what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. Like a nice little worn in wash, even though it's like completely new. But yeah, love it. Gives like a very nice, like effortless, worn in, vintage vibe. A nice little pair of jeans. I like it because it's gray. I think gray jeans are really, really cute. Like they just look Y2K, especially paired with my big silver hoops and this little top. I just think that it's giving Y2K. And when the weather allows me to, you know, wear this cute outfit out, put on a pair of sunglasses, also like a high ponytail with like a little crop top and this pair of jeans, I think will be so adorable. So love it. And let's move on to the next item. Guys, are we serious with this next fur coat? I'm so obsessed. I'm so obsessed. It's so cute. I put on a little cap with it and it's just the cutest white color ever. It's like pure white, which I love. I don't really have much in this color. Basic black long sleeve inside, you know, gray jeans and a cap. And I just think that this coat ties everything in together. I love the color. I love how it just kind of like hits you right at the, you know, where your jeans are. So it kind of provides that long leg illusion because it's a little bit more of like a cropped jacket. But I think it's so cute. I think it's perfect for winter time. It's like the prettiest white color. If you can see on my left hand side there, that was the coat just now. It was a little bit more, you know, long, like luxurious looking. This is a little bit more casual. It's giving like K-pop idol. It's giving K-pop idol model off duty look. So I don't know, I'm kind of like really obsessed with this one. Every time I try on a new fur coat, it just instantly becomes my favorite, but this one is so cute. It's also a little bit more like thin, it's a little lighter, so again, if you're in a warmer area, this is perfect. And also it's like a great little spring jacket that I am so excited to wear when it's warmer. So this is the second fur coat that I wanted to share with you all. Let's move on to the next item. All right, last but not least, cutest item ever for last, obviously. It's a pink fur coat and it's literally the cutest color ever, like absolutely obsessed. Wearing my little pink Misbehave bag just to kind of pair with it. But cutest light pink ever. This is kind of like a mix between the two coats that I shared with you all in the beginning. It's a little bit cropped like the second one, but it's kind of like that droopy vibe, like, you know, the first one where it has like those big kind of collars at the side. So this one is giving like chic but casual, if you know what I mean, because it's like a little bit more like luxe looking, but it's very cropped. So I like how it's like, you know, that combination, so you can obviously dress it up or dress it down. I clearly am dressing it really down right now in the exact same outfit that I was wearing in the first two, because I just wanted to see like how it looks when it's like very dressed down. I think it's perfect. Yeah, I think this looks great with like a pair of pants and a basic top, and like my cute little Misbehave bag looks so good with it. There we go. That's kind of what the color looks like, a really beautiful light pink. It's not a super like in your face type of pink either. It's very wearable, very everyday, and so I really love it. So this is the last piece that I wanted to share with you all, best for last, because it's one of my favorites ever, and I'm gonna for sure link this item down below because I'm like absolutely obsessed with it. So this is the last item. Success. What a successful shop. Those are all the pieces that I wanted to share with you all today. I will have everything with, you know, my discount code and stuff like that to the items linked in the description box, along with my other social media platforms, so make sure to check those out as well. Thank you all so much for staying until the end. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.